Hello one and all, welcome to another video. Today I just want to cover a couple of matters. Firstly, whilst I've got my Pip range chart up here of the euro versus the US dollar, I just want to highlight the trade that I took yesterday using the Pip Range Bar continuation strategy or method, whichever way you want to call it. It's a very simple idea. If you've not heard it before, we're using Pip Range Bar charts here, and all I'm looking for is for price to touch the edge of the cloud, which is called the Senku span, which is that's highlighted here for you. So it's got Senku span A, and then I'm looking for price to close beneath the blue line, which is called the Kiju Sen. Apologize for my pronunciation if that is wrong, but as best as I can do. So what we can see here is, if I just go back a little bit in time, you can see the euro dollar has been under pressure since price opened up on Sunday evening in the UK time, or Monday morning here in Australia, as the results of the French election came through that Macron was going to win. And if I just go back to yesterday's session, you can see here price was coming down, and then it had a small bounce up on the start of the European Open, and it pretty much touched it bang on perfectly on this candle right here that I'm hovering on here. And then price closed beneath the blue line on this candle right there, and then you would have entered on the open of this candle here. It went offside by 3 or 4 pips, but that's nothing to worry about. And then price eventually came down, and I exited it at the big round number of 109 for 13 pips. So that was a good trade, and it's just a very straightforward method and very easy to implement. But the main reason for this video is, if I go to the 1 minute chart for the Australian dollar, is the quantum method. It's gaining quite a number of views on the forum, and I just wanted to cover a few trades and just explain how to approach it and what to look for. So this is today's session as it is, and there are a number of red boxes which would indicate that you are selling, and I haven't taken all of them because, as I've mentioned in previous videos, when they're so tightly spaced together, you don't really want to be adding more exposure at the same entry. So I try and leave at least half a pip to 1 pip between my entries. So far I've got 6 trades on, and I'm looking for an exit probably somewhere around here. 73.45 would be nice, which is just, if I just pull this up here, which is kind of that sort of level there is where I'm looking to exit. You can see currently price is just having a bit of an issue with this level here at 73.55. On the way up, you can see price bounce back down, and then once it's cleared, it's kind of refused to go lower, so it's a bit of a stalemate at the moment. And what I'm looking to do is, I'm just going to flick over to the 1 hour chart just to get a bit of a bigger picture. And the obvious thing we can see here is that the Australian dollar has been under quite a bit of pressure lately, and the US dollar has regained some ground on the Aussie dollar, which started off the first quarter very well, but it's as I say, it's come under quite a bit of pressure. So this is where currently price is right now at 73.54 and a half. And my theory is, if price breaks above the 73.63 area, which is this area here, I probably won't be adding any orders until we get to around the 73.70 mark, all the way up to 73.87. That's where I'll be looking to add some more orders. As you can see, price is continuing down nicely. So if it does break this level, I won't be adding orders straight away. I'll be waiting for around 73.70 or up to about 73.90 by the looks of things. And I'll try and work an exit from there. So as I say, happy for it to come down, and I'll take my 6 trades for an exit of about 10 pips per trade. So that'd be 60 pips in total. But as I say, if it does break this level here, I'll be more than happy just to wait and try and add a little bit more later on. But it's a very straightforward method. Does require a bit of screen time, but it does give you the rewards. That's all for now. Any questions, let me know.